In this video, we will discuss how to use the Perfect Stitch home screen. The home screen has several distinct areas. The top navigation accesses the features and settings of Perfect Stitch, as well as diagnostic and system information. There are 4 stitching modes available on the home screen: Precision Mode, Manual Mode, Idle Mode, and Based Mode. Depending on the stitching mode, you can customize the stitches per inch, the speed of the needle, or both, right from the home screen. Whenever a mode setting is unable to be customized, the text will appear gray. In Precision Stitching mode, Perfect Stitch will regulate the length of your stitches. You can adjust the stitch regulation using the stitches per inch plus and minus buttons. In Precision mode, the machine will only begin stitching when stitching is engaged and you are pushing the carriage around the frame. Your machine will automatically adjust the speed of the needle to match your movements and produce the desired stitches per inch. In Manual mode, Perfect Stitch will let the needle run at a constant speed when stitching is engaged. You can adjust the speed of Manual mode, which is measured as a percentage of the top speed of the system. For example, 100% speed would be about 3,000 stitches per minute. Idle mode is a mix of both Precision mode and Manual mode. When stitching is engaged, the needle will idle at the current speed setting. When you push the carriage around the frame, the needle will then regulate to the current stitches per inch setting. Based mode provides you with a quick way to baste your quilt. Based mode uses regulated stitches per inch that have longer distances. As its name implies, this is most useful when basting a quilt. Needle position settings allow you to set whether the needle will rest at the up or down position when stitching is not engaged. Perfect Stitch records how long the machine has been stitching on the home screen. The timer icon shows how long the machine has been stitching since the counter was last reset. The 4 buttons at the bottom of the display show you what features are currently programmed for each of the buttons. They can also be pressed on the screen rather than pressing the buttons on the handlebars. To program the buttons, go to the Profile Settings screen. Press the button you wish to program. Choose the desired function from the populated list. The button should now be reprogrammed. To change it back, press the button again and choose the previous function from the list. In the next video, we will cover the other features of Perfect Stitch in the top navigation.